Grade 4. Today's lesson: read and write fractions. Firstly, the meaning of the fraction. A fraction is a number that names part of a whole or part of a group. In the fraction, the denominator is the number below the bar and the numerator is the number above the bar. 3 is a numerator, 4 is a denominator. 4 denominator and 3 is a numerator. This shape three shaded parts and total number of parts is 4. It will be 3 quarters. And this also quarter, 3 over 4 or 3 quarters. This 1, 2, 3 shade over 4. It will be 3 quarters. This quarter and this also quarter and this also quarter. It will be 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3 over 4. 3 fourths or 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 shade. It will be 1/4 or 1 quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 shade. It will be 1/6 or 1/6. 1, 2, 3, 4 shade over 6. It will be 4/6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 parts. It will be 4/6. 1, 2 shade and the total number of parts is 6. It will be 2/6 or 2/6. 4 shaded parts and the total number of parts is 4. It will be 4/4 and a number over itself equals 1, you know. 1, 2, 3, 3/4 or 3 quarters. Now, draw a picture and shade part of it to show the fraction. Firstly, 3/7 or 3/7 or 3 divided by 7. We draw 7 circles or 7 squares or 7 triangles as you like and shade the number of circles like the numerator. We have 3 in the numerator, shade 3 circles. 4/9 or 4/9. Draw 9 circles and shade 4 according to the numerator. 1/4. Draw 4 circles and shade 1. 2/5 or 2/5 or 2 divide by 5. Draw 5 circles and shade 2. Write a fraction for each. 1 out of 7 it will be 1/7. 8/10 it will be 8/10. 2/3 it will be 2/3. 4 divided by 8 it will be 4/8. 6 out of 8 it will be 6/8. 2/8 it will be 2/8. Now, complete the following table. We have the fraction 2/3, 4/5, 9/10, 8/9, 1/3 and 3 quarters. What is the numerator and what is the denominator? In the first fraction, 2 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. In the second fraction, 4 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. In the third fraction, 9 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. The fourth fraction, 8 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. The fifth one is the numerator, 3 is the denominator, and the last 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. I think it's so easy lesson, and this is the end of the lesson. Thanks, guys.